region, but not a whole lot of rain. And even though there's been chatter of the tropical depression that's now a tropical storm, it just has an indirect influence on our current cloud cover. But as we always do in hurricane season, we monitor the waters all around us for any sort of activity. The only thing present right now is Cristobal, which is still over the southwesternmost Gulf of Mexico. The center of the storm is actually over land. So as a result, it's going to weaken a little bit. It already has, because it has spent a few hours over that section of Mexico near that little bend in the southern edge of the Bay of Campeche. Now we advance through the forecast map of the possible movement of this system. Still, in due time, likely over the weekend, it will begin more of a northerly movement. But why is it moving so slow right now? Well, it's simply because it's in between two broad areas of high pressure, and they're kind of distant from the storm, so there's really nothing that's going to directly influence its movement, at least in the next day or two. So it's just going to hover where it is, which may be good, because if the center of it stays over land, it will further weaken. That could also have some future influences on its form. But then, as high pressure tends to shift a little bit, it will start to get in on a more northerly motion because of that high that's going to be over the Caribbean. That's going to help to draw it to the north. Also, where we are, there's upper level low pressure. That's why it's so cloudy right now. So that kind of carves a little path for it to move into. And not included in that map is probably a high pressure ridge over the weekend in the Tennessee Valley to the north of us. And that's going to help to